I'm Jeff Harris, Sales Manager at Progressive Ceiling. Today I'm going to take a few minutes and demonstrate for you our packing training rig. We use this rig to train our technical specialists. We also use this rig to train our customers. So we'll take this unit out to customers' plants, set it up like this in the shop or in the training room, and demo how packing is to be installed. We also offer this unit to customers so that they can use it internally to train their own people. In our rig, you get this clear stuffing box, 2 tamping tools, a SpiralTrac environmental controller, a restriction bushing, and a lantern ring. Also a packing puller, remove the packing, the nuts and washers, the gland follower, multiple cut rings of packing, other styles of packing rings, other materials, and some other clamps to clamp down the stuffing box to your table, along with this heavy-duty Pelican case. Now I'll demonstrate how we pack this stuffing box using the SpiralTrac environmental controller. So what this device does, it takes place of the bottom 2 rings of packing, the lantern ring. What the device does, the SpiralTrac has spiral grooves on the inside diameter, which are rotation sensitive. So you install the device in the bottom of the stuffing box, and when the shaft is rotating, centrifugal force will push solids into these spiral grooves and remove the solids from the stuffing box. So I'll get this installed. Take one of these tamping tools, tamp it down to the bottom of the stuffing box. We'll take a ring of the Chesterton 1730 packing, and we'll make sure that when we're packing the pump that we are staggering the joints. Take the tamping tool, tamp this all the way down to the SpiralTrac. Make sure it's seated completely. Take another ring of packing, stagger the joints. Tamp that one. And our third ring, stagger that joint as well. Tamp it down. Get it seated all the way. Take our gland follower, washers and nuts, nuts on finger tight, and then you're good to go. Now I'll show you how to unpack the pump. So we'll take the nuts and washers off. Gland follower. We use this corkscrew packing puller. Remove the packing. There you have it. Thank you for taking the time to watch us demonstrate our training packing rig. If you have any questions or any inquiries, please reach out to us at Progressive Ceiling.